Welcome to the Future Smart Kitchen Gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of smart kitchen gadgets. Our kitchens are now ecosystems of technology designed to streamline and simplify our cooking routines. We're talking ovens that take orders, refrigerators that keep grocery lists, and coffee makers that brew your morning cup. So, strap in, get your digital spatulas ready, and let's unlock the potential of these culinary co-pilots. First up, let's talk about the heart of the smart kitchen, the smart oven. This revolutionary appliance is designed to make your cooking experience seamless and enjoyable. This isn't your grandma's old radiant oven. Gone are the days of manual temperature adjustments and constant monitoring. This is a technological marvel controlled with a swipe or voice command. You can set cooking times, adjust temperatures, and even choose cooking modes with just a few taps or words. Imagine preheating your oven from the grocery store or receiving notifications when your food is cooked. No more guesswork or overcooked meals. Smart ovens come loaded with pre-programmed recipes, taking the guesswork out of cooking. Simply select a recipe and the oven will automatically adjust to the perfect settings. They use sensors to maintain accurate temperatures, ensuring consistent results. These sensors monitor the cooking process and make real-time adjustments. Whether you're baking a delicate soufflé or roasting a succulent prime rib, a smart oven can handle it all. It offers versatility and precision for any dish. Embrace the future of cooking with a smart oven that's as intelligent as it is efficient. Transform your kitchen into a culinary command center and elevate your cooking game. Let's face it, folks, the day doesn't truly begin until that first sip of coffee. Achieve coffee nirvana with a smart coffee maker. These high-tech brewers deliver a perfectly brewed cup every time. Smart coffee makers can be programmed to start brewing at a specific time. Customize your cup to your exact preferences with just a few taps on your smartphone. Some models offer a variety of brewing methods, from drip coffee to espresso. Many work with apps that offer a curated selection of beans delivered to your doorstep. Upgrade to a smarter way to brew. Now let's move on to the granddaddy of smart kitchen appliances, the smart refrigerator. This isn't just a glorified icebox, it's the central nervous system of your kitchen. Built-in cameras allow you to view the contents of your fridge from anywhere. Many models track expiration dates, update your shopping list, and suggest recipes. Smart refrigerators often come with large touchscreens for streaming music, watching videos, or displaying photos. Embrace a little bit of luxury and convenience in your kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen to the 21st century with a smart refrigerator. It's time to embrace the future of food storage. Chapter 4. Smart Kitchen Scales, Precision in Every Pour. A smart kitchen scale is essential for any serious cook. Baking is a science and precise measurements are key. Smart scales provide unparalleled accuracy and ease of use. They often connect to apps that offer a wealth of features. Imagine scaling down recipes, tracking calorie intake, or converting units with a few taps. Smart scales are compact and lightweight, making them easy to store and use. Embrace the power of precision with a smart kitchen scale. Chapter 5. Smart Pressure Cookers, Speed and Smarts in One Pot. For those who crave speed and efficiency, meet the Smart Pressure Cooker. This multitasker combines the convenience of a slow cooker with the speed of a pressure cooker. Adjust cooking times, temperatures, and release pressure remotely. These workhorses handle everything from soups to desserts. Built-in safety features and guided cooking programs make them user-friendly. Simplify your cooking routine with a smart pressure cooker. Chapter 6. Smart Dishwashers. Cleaning up has never been easier. Let's talk about the unsung hero of the kitchen, the smart dishwasher. These modern marvels are designed to make your life easier and your kitchen cleaner. Imagine a dishwasher that senses the soil level of your dishes and adjusts the wash cycle accordingly. No more guessing which setting to use. Control it remotely, start a load while you're at work, or even when you're out running errands. The convenience is unparalleled. Advanced features like leak detection and automatic detergent dispensers make it a dream come true for any household. You can rest easy knowing your kitchen is safe and efficient. Specialized cycles for delicate glassware or heavily soiled pots and pans ensure that every item gets the care it needs. Your dishes will come out sparkling clean every time. Smart dishwashers are water and energy efficient, saving you money and reducing your environmental impact. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Say goodbye to hand-washing dishes and hello to a sparkling clean kitchen. With a smart dishwasher, cleaning up has never been easier or more efficient. Embrace the future of dishwashing. With all these incredible features, smart dishwashers are truly the next big thing in kitchen technology. Chapter 7. Smart Kitchen Faucets. Touchless technology for a cleaner kitchen. A small but mighty gadget. The smart faucet. Turn on your faucet with a wave of your hand, eliminating the need to touch dirty handles. Smart faucets offer precise temperature control for washing dishes, filling pots, or washing hands. Some models even offer voice control. Environmentally conscious, smart faucets help conserve water with flow restrictors and automatic shut-off features. A small but impactful upgrade for your kitchen. Embrace the future of touchless technology. Upgrade to a smart faucet. Outrow, level up your kitchen game. There you have it, folks. A glimpse into the future of cooking with smart kitchen gadgets. These devices are not just about convenience. They're about revolutionizing the way we interact with our kitchens. From ovens that take orders and adjust temperatures automatically, to refrigerators that keep grocery lists, suggest recipes based on available ingredients, these technological marvels are transforming the way we cook, clean, and manage our kitchens. Imagine a kitchen where everything is connected and works seamlessly together. Remember, these gadgets aren't about replacing your skills in the kitchen, they're about enhancing them. They provide precision, efficiency, and a touch of modern flair. Think of them as culinary co-pilots, guiding you through complex recipes and helping you achieve perfect results every time. There to assist and streamline your cooking process, freeing you to focus on what truly matters, the joy of cooking and the pleasure of sharing meals with loved ones, creating delicious food and lasting memories in the heart of your home. These gadgets make it easier to involve the whole family in meal preparation, turning cooking into a fun and collaborative activity. So, are you ready to embrace the future of cooking? The possibilities are endless and the benefits are clear. Let me know in the comments below which gadget you're most excited to try and how you think it will change your cooking experience. And don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and reviews of the latest kitchen technology. Until next time, happy cooking. May your kitchen be ever smart and your meals ever delicious.